In this video, we'll install the MaxGuide browser extension and connect it to your account. From your MaxGuide dashboard, click Download Extension. This downloads a zip file to your computer. Unzip the file you just downloaded. You'll need the unzip folder in the next step. In Chrome, click the Extensions icon in your toolbar, then click Manage Extensions. It is important to note that MaxGuide Beta is only available for the Chrome browser at this time. In the top right corner, turn on Developer Mode. This is required because the extension isn't on the Chrome Web Store yet. It's a beta build loaded directly into your browser. Click Load Unpacked, navigate to the extension folder you unzipped, and select it. MaxGuide now shows up in your extensions list. One important note. If you turn developer mode off, the extension stops working. During the beta, developer mode needs to stay on. This won't affect your normal browsing. Turn developer mode back on and you're good to go. Click the extensions icon again and pin MaxGuide so it's always visible in your toolbar. Close the Extensions tab. Back on your dashboard, you can see the MaxGuide icon in your toolbar. Click the icon to open the MaxGuide side panel. It needs to be connected to your account, so click Open Settings. This is where you connect the extension to your MaxGuide account using your extension token. Copy your extension token from the dashboard and paste it here. If you ever need a new token, say you're setting up a different computer or you want to revoke access from another device, click Generate Token. The old token stops working immediately, and only the new one will connect. Set your Maximo version and select your role. You'll notice this is the same information from your profile. The extension stores its own settings right now, so both need to be configured. Click Save Settings and you're connected. MaxGuide is now ready to use. Open it any time from the icon in your toolbar. Check out our other videos to learn about Quick Mode, Deep Mode, and Coach Mode. MaxGuide.io